Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack on Usenzo Meyi when a call has come out to say this trial hasn't been a fair trial, especially on the 5 accused. There's been a lot of complaints. There's a lot of lies. There's a lot of cooking and manufacturing in this case. Aguna control. There's no like how advocate therefore Malisala therefore was now writing to Fanny Masemula telling him what's your job? If you are high up in the rank, whether basically or SAPS, but I can just say, who are you? Do you even see which is something wrong in this case unless you are also involved? Imagine. And I'm sure you remember how Umnisi was calling Ukeli a kingpin. Agambi's nane mastermind, which is the same thing anyways. But why Pizu 80? The state, when they went there to meet Noma Kubo Nabobonga Band, Ukininda kept on saying Ukeli is the mastermind. And state has always known Ukeli is the mastermind, but what have they done with that information? Nothing. Ngibona ukuthi buqophelelo ngakazi uzubonela nezinto nje engekho right because uKelly my mastermind guys angithi sonke sifida ukuthi akabe accused number 6 sekulandela uma wakhe benozandi. But Ukininda is actually allowed to say things like, I know I don't have enough evidence on Kelly, but uyakwazi ukuthi uNtanzi wathola 30,000. Who accused number 5 Ufiso Kuhlentuli is the one who was actually sort of like a leader leading this whole thing. He was speaking to Kelly from the 15th of October 2014 leading to, but it's a premeditated, and that's what you're trying to give us. You need to give us one version. You can't say this namhlanje, the next day you show enye into uthi wena kodwa uKelly uyi mastermind, but uphinde uthi no anginayo kahle evidence. Sometimes angazi, some days uyazi ukuthi uyi mastermind but akaboshiwe. But on 636 you coming across as a person othi uKelly naye uyi-victim kwangena abantu nini also lied wathi ifoni kaKelly ingayisemva komnyango yaphinda atholakala. Guys, please, uKelly is not a victim here. How is she a victim? And uKelly yindaba naye angazi ecourt so that ezokhomba njengoba usisi wakhe aqamba amanga uZandile benomthoko bebusy nomuntu wama dreadlocks onga exist besho u-accused number 3 but uyena owayephethe isibhamu. You are allowed to say so many lies and here says but when you are correct. Ngisho Ukininda ke njalo lapho ubrigadier bongani Ukininda bangithi but now you are allowed ukuthi ube correct. Mari into zakhe ayizwakali into zakhe ayihlangani actually. This is why you get the nomngomezulu lezo bethi you are cooking, they are cooking my lord, and manufacturing. And then Umnisi beno advocate Charlton Mnisi beno advocate Zandile Mshololo, but this is a trial by ambush. We are ibona leyo nto le. State asekho fair and yabona ubalo is very very frustrated at this point because he can say good to know what fine we were promised besides the envelope and stuff we were also promised to go no, we will get through this and we will get away with these lies. And manje bayabonakala ukuthi banamanga and kakhulu umuntu is pushing it. U-advocate Malisela Def no, just as much as mina ngithi ngase ngibuka njengohlanyo, and at some stage I was actually thrown out of court by lolahlanya olalikade bulldoze icase uMawumela wathi get out of my court. Wena hlanyo ngathathwa amaphoyisa mina ngase nguhlanyi ngobani all these people basebenzisana at the end of the day. Waphelela lapho uMawumela naye was exposed for taking this trial to other levels and wayebulldoziwe angacelwanga uJP njengoratha and waqamba amanga hey wazwabonakala usinamanje usahamba hearing yakhe engeke iziphele naye la muntu uyigugele futhi at the end of the day I'm just like okay guys like why ukuyibona leyo nto ngoba the main problem uma umela mamhambisela yona bathi you are taking too long with the case bra like we have no direction awuna control wena kule court ukubona njengoba sekufakwa uratha naye sometimes ubonakala sengathi uyantengantenga akazazi ukuthi umephi. Some days he looks like solid and he looks like he's the best, but he's actually not. The only thing uBrigadier Bongani Gininder had on Kelly, angazange usawathatha futhi lawo ma-WhatsApp, akhuluma ngokuthi ene uKelly wayekhuluma noZandi. That's the only thing he had on her. Ukuthi it could have been the mastermind. So I think wafika naleyo nto ukuthi noma she is actually a mastermind. But now masefana kaboshwa every time, every weekend last year, she is a mastermind, she is a mastermind. On Friday, Shuk TV at the time. UKelly uzoboshwa. Nathi sibhale, hayi uKelly uzoboshwa. I mean, I've got like 4 videos as they see uKelly uzoboshwa. But akaboshwa. And ngeke azaboshwa guys. That's just what's crazy. You know? Ngoba she's dubbed as a victim angithi la uyambona uyivictim wahlukumezeka kakhulu ehlukunyezwa accused number 5 abangakazi baze bangene kakhumalo. So the only thing uBrigadier Gininder has on Kelly was those WhatsApp messages ekhuluma noZandi uthi hayi ngiyamzonda ngimfuni kade vele I wanna get rid of him. How? Ngempela angimthandi angisamfuni ini esho usho uSanzomewa at that time. Athi Brigadier Gininder and the main thing that happened on that day during the day at Basotho Hostel. Angithi Basotho Hostel yakhe nobaba kaZungu uAbsalom noZungu. Asingeni nowhere thina. And you know no accused all the accused actually all 5 of them are like Basotho Hostel asikwazi sonda we never even go there. But uZungu ufile ukuthi ngoba nabaka Nongoma actually just because nami ngiyayi ngiyophuza eBasotho Hostel nani you hang around there. Ukubona kodwa guys ezinye izinto ze-unfair kanjani kule life. I'm just like no, I'm done. So athi the main thing that happened on that day kusho Gininder at the time laba bawu-5 bahlangana laphana ukushintshiswana ngeimali ukuthi bakhokhelwe laba bawu-4 bakhokhelwe ubani u5 uyena uNomali okhuluma noKelly ukuthi okay enzani lento ke today. But guys, naloko then fanele ngabe uKelly uhlale 5 years must die by this time ejele. Kuba is the main thing la. And akekho right. Uyabona ukuthi in this assassination basically ngoba phela makuthi ene uyi-kingpin ena uyi-mastermind i-assassination phela le. So fanele ukuthi ene naye aboshwe. Into esabisa kanje ukwazi ukuhlanganisa abantu wena koMasutho Hostel bahlanganisa izimali bakwazi ukuthi babulale uSenzomeya. But manje abafana basele bodwa kodwa i-kingpin ayiboshwa. Uyayibona lento and how they chose accused number 5. Phela accused number 5 angithi una 6 life sentences. Yeah. And apparently he is involved in some deletion that happened in KZN around ebukhosini of some sort. Uyabona kodwa guys. So wahlakanipha uGininder wathi okay yabona ke uright ngani una accused number 5 for us. Mangithi for us ngisho uGininder noZungu and them no baba uAbsalom. Wayibu wathi hayi kuba vele lo isigebengu sesigeleke anyways. So uyena obaphethe laba abawu4 uyena okhokhayo uyena uhlangana noKelly uyena okhuluma noKelly from the 15th of October. He's the best person actually. And then he comes and lies athi mina ebuthembisa as the lead investigator. I guess that's how it goes on. I was the lead investigator, but you never really tell us what you investigated and did. And then he comes and lies and says he's the one who actually arrested who accused number 5 in Tembisa, which is lies. Accused number 5 was arrested by Makubo. Who accused number 5 phela njengoba ngisho unento zakhe nje naye ezimele. This is why bangakhumula kahle in most of my videos last year I was going on like this. Yebo Some of them, they might be skebengus and skelegetes, but not all of them. We are using manje how I used to put it. Ngisho bonke labo accused at the time. So uyabona ukuthi accused number 5 ukuthi bamthatha kanjani bona bathi usamdinga lo usomsebenzisa uyena umuntu oinfector right. That's why ngithi this thing, it was just not decided in a day, it was thought through for days. That is why they were, most of them, arrested years later after the incident. Yabona ukuthi usebenza kanjani uKinindi uyakwazi, and then it's the whole thing yokuthi ngine-power vele mina in any case, and this is why people feel ukuthi une-power from other people high up. Brigadier phela yini, brigadier, you need another 3-4 ranks to get there. So akasebenzi yedwa uvala lenkohlakalo. So sisazoke sime lapho ngoba yeyiningi indaba yale case le inosathane phakathi. I am telling you. Thank you so much guys for supporting me. Here's a membership guys, like I said, you 20 rand, and now if you've opened a YouTube channel, abantu guys are opening YouTube channels ngapha nangapha. So if you need some advertising of some sort, let me know. I will advertise you on 3 of my channels that are actually up and running. Thank you so much guys, I appreciate you. Ngithanda over.